Hey everyone, John from Popeye's Postcards. Today we are at the Carroll County, Maryland Ag Center. I'm back here for another flea market type yard sale thing. I can't remember exactly what they call it. I think they call it a flea market. I was here probably 4 months ago. I got some decent cards then. Place opens in about another half hour. It's balmy 27 degrees here today. So we're gonna see what we can get into. Gonna start in the back where no one is and go from there. Now there's no postcards up that way, so keep looking. There was one little stack, but nothing very good. I'm not finding anything in the first couple rows. The little stack here and there. Nothing worth anything.
Down 5 thanks. You too. Good luck.
So, hopefully I find something.
Was that Ashley?
I think it's more crowded this time than it was last time. Still striking out on postcards. Third or fourth row. Still nothing. Little piles here and there, not even worth showing on video. It's the first significant stack I found. It's like about $2 each. Okay. Take a look. Okay, there was nothing in that stack. There were some Rehoboth Beach, but they were all of the same church, which is a very common card. Not worth picking up.
Hey, friend, got a light? Jingle bells ring, jingle bells like the phone jingle.
So those albums were priced anywhere from $5 to $20. firm, so no wiggle room, nothing in there worth that much. So kind of disappointed today. Almost done here, and just hasn't been anything for me. How you selling the postcards?
Make a deal.
I mean,
All for $5.
all for $5. All right, let me look through them. Okay, I'm heading back to the back again. I just missed one section back here. I should have started at the front. There were two guys with postcards right there in the front next to each other. Spent $59 at one, and you heard on tape there that it was $5 for the whole batch, and I'm not going to argue. Didn't even really look through them. Probably 100 postcards there for $5. Let's see if I missed anything back here. Okay, everyone, I just left. Actually, I'm sitting in the parking lot from the Carroll County Ag Center. It was the Westminster flea market. Was really getting worried there. The first 5 rows or so, just really nothing for postcards. I'm not sure how the sun is here. Because I went straight to the back, and I should have just stayed at the front, because I found 2 postcard guys, well, people who had postcards right there in the front. So I should have just started at the front. So I bought, you saw on the video, the guy said $5 for all of them. I wasn't even going to argue and really just stand there and cherry pick through. I'll just throw those in the quarter. I'll cherry pick through. It's this bag right here. There's 100 to maybe even 200 postcards in there. There's got to be at least one in there that's worth $5. And then the only other postcards I bought was this stack, $59 for that stack. And included in that was a book I've never seen before. It's called The Postcard Companion, The Collector's Reference. He had a price of $4 on that. So $59 for these postcards on that book I didn't think was bad. So I'll go ahead and go through these cards real quick and show you what I got. You're just gonna have to deal with the sun. Got a Santa card. He had priced $2 on that. Another Santa card, and yet another Santa card. These came out to maybe 90 cents a card, something like that. I'll put these Santa ones, I'll probably put them in a mat and try to sell them for $15 to $20 at the craft show I'm getting ready to set up at. This card had $4 marked on it. It's Colchester Beach in Maryland, but it looks like it's the it's called a switchback, so a little mini roller coaster. That could be a $30 to $40 card, I think. This is Japan Airlines. It's a airline issue card. I'm not sure how that's gonna go. Keep an eye out for these. I didn't look up any of these cards. I'm just going on my knowledge. Marked $2, so again probably 90 cents. That could be a good card. Anytime you have foreign airline issued cards, they're usually pretty good. This is a Greetings Camp McClellan, World War I era. I can't remember exactly where Camp McClellan is. There's a shopping center in Silver Spring, Maryland. Linen card. Very rarely do I buy these. It's a souvenir folder, and it's from the Grand View Ship Hotel. This is on Lincoln Highway, and I think that's probably a $15 folder right there. And this is Bellefonte, Pennsylvania, called Fisherman's Paradise. Used to go fishing there when I was a kid. I might keep that one. Some Penn State campus buildings. And Probably asked $5 or $6 for these. This is Shingletown Gap near State College. I don't know. These are actually, I think these were in the quarter box. But when you average everything out, again, about 90 cents. Just some more State College buildings. Like I said, probably asked $5, $6 for them. There's a Shell gas station in Tuskegee, Alabama. That may do okay. This is a winch back. Just a New Year's card. I don't know. The French clown, a little bit of damage I didn't notice. These actually, I pick them up all the time and they don't sell very well. I'll still get probably $5, $6 for that. More Penn State buildings. I like these. I don't know why. I think they're called Laugh-Gram. Big Fork, Montana. Just a comic greeting. I thought these were neat. Have some age to them, so 1916 or so, but I just kind of like the look of them, and I don't know how to describe that look. I don't know if that's Art Deco-ish. I'm not sure. But anyway, I got a couple that kind of look like that. This is Rock Spring Park, West Virginia. I've never heard of that. Here's an unsigned Oh, no, it is signed. Okay. When I first saw this, I knew it was a Clapsaddle, but I didn't see her signature. Her signature's down by my fingers, but it's a Wolf publisher. Happy Easter. I'll probably ask $8, $9 for that one, maybe a little bit more. More State College buildings. Another one of those, again, I don't know exactly what to call it. 1908 is the copyright. But I just thought they looked neat, and here's a third one. Miami Beach Hotel. This is a Jewish community building in, excuse me, Los Angeles. This is Wheatland Motel, Martinsburg, West Virginia, town I will soon no longer work in. Hemet, California. Sorry, kind of like a subdivision. And a lot of these, this is Paris, Texas, 1950s, downtown plaza. Some of the California ones, I just bought. I paid $1 for them or 90 cents for them because I didn't know the names, but I wanted to make sure I didn't miss out on a good name. This is Antioch College, Yellow Spring, Ohio. It's a real photo. This is another one from the same college, different building. I should stop licking my fingers. Myrtle Beach shows an amusement park, and then I don't know what that is, some pavilion of some sort, but it looks like 1950s. I like the 1950s golf. This is Apple Valley Country Club, Apple Valley, California. I can't remember if Apple Valley is a good or not, so I went ahead and bought it. This is Ocean City, Maryland. I've sold that card many, many times. This is Lake Tahoe, State Line, Nevada, 1960s, showing the casinos. Another Apple Valley, California card. Large letter greeting, Pensacola. I don't know if I've ever seen that one before. And this is Coloma, California. Again, I don't remember hearing that name of the town. Yankee Stadium from probably the 40s or 50s. Might be 50s. I think this actually might be a reprint. I don't know. It has yeah, I think it is a reprint for some reason. I think that's a reprint. Calistoga, California, Street View. And Tahoe City, California. Postmarked 1972, but it's definitely a 1950s look. Chen's Singapore. It's a restaurant in New York City. This is kind of neat, kind of a patriotic, but then a flower. If this was just the flower, I would have not picked it up, but the flag, I think, adds something to it. It's that really thick, embossed type of card. Valentine greetings. Like I said, I'll probably put a mat around that and sell it for $10 to $15 at this show I'm going to set up at. I thought this was kind of amusing. It's a water heater ad, but look how excited she is about this brand new water heater, probably from the 60s or so. I just thought that was amusing. I don't think I've ever seen anybody that excited over a water heater. It's like a drive-in restaurant. Oh, it's Colonel Sanders Kentucky Fried Chicken in Front Royal. So Virginia. Again, it's postmarked 1972, but those are 1950s cars. This is a recruiting station. There's a winch back too. I don't think it's a winch. In fact, it's not a winch, but I just thought it was neat that it's Cupid enlisting. Got a whole bunch of these generic greetings from Mount Airy, Maryland. That's local around here. Just a whole bunch of different ones. Mount Airy has done fairly well for me. A couple Disney cards. That's the castle or Disneyland cards. There's the Matterhorn. I always pick up Disney. Bonneville Salt Flats. I've been doing really good with Bonneville Salt Flats of individual cars. So we'll see how I do with this. Looks like the starting area maybe. Los Gatos. I've always done well with Los Gatos, California. I like the old Las Vegas. Linen Street Views. Rehoboth Beach, Delaware. And then 3 cards that I normally would not pick up because they are the oversized cards. I usually don't pick them up. 2 of these came from the quarter box. And I think this one came from the dollar box. This is Hatteras Beach, so Outer Banks, North Carolina, probably from the 50s or 60s. Guarantee it doesn't look like this anymore. So that's why I bought that one. And then 2 from Ocean City, Maryland. This is a Phillips Beach Plaza Hotel. So someone who likes to collect Ocean City will probably pick that one up. So really, we'll average that up to the 90 cents. And then triple view of the Embers restaurant in Ocean City. So like I said, started off really slow, but ended on a good note there. So I spent $64, and you add in a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. That's another $4. I'm gonna go ahead and stop at the antique mall here locally. I'm not gonna do a whole big walk around. I'm gonna go to that same booth that has the cards locked up. There were some cards I think I left on the table that I'm gonna have to pay up for, but I want to see what they got. So that's it for the Carroll County Ag Center Flea Market. I'll come back again if they do a spring show. I've had, I guess now, been here twice. I've had decent luck. So let me know in the comments below if you've had any good postcard finds recently. And as always, thank you for watching.